Yesterday I forgot to put the recording on.
Oh, Shravanji.
Just put the live. Thank good morning, honey. Today is Somwar, Monday, so we'll start with the Shiv Ji ka puja karke. Om Mahadev Shiv Shankar Shambho Umakanta Tripurare Mitrunjay Vichwadvastulin Ganga Ghar Mij Madnare Har Shiv Shankar Gaurisham Vande Ganga Dharmisham Rudram Pasupati Misanam Kalle Kasi Purinatham Jai Shambho Shiv Gauri Shankar Jai Shambho Om Shyam Sadasudai Amrit Rudrai Parvati Pran Bhai Namo Namah Har 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 Mahadev Jai Shambho and सबको छोटी होली का नमस्कार. Om Radhe Radhe. Pizza. My start when we ready. Like you.
Om Namaste and good morning, everybody. My name is Sri. So I'm taking the class this morning. Today is I think it's the 6th, yeah, 6th of March 2023. Today's color is white. As Sarvanji said, today is Monday. So we'll start with Om. So we all sit in a comfortable posture, either on the floor or on the chair. And we sit with a Gyan Mudra, back straight. And you place your hand on your knees. And you do Bhastrika for a few seconds. When you breathe in, your stomach comes out. When you breathe out, your stomach goes in. Two and a half seconds to breathe in and 2.5 seconds to breathe out. Keeping our eyes closed, we will chant Om 3 times. Take a deep breath. We bring our hands on the top and rub it until it warm up. Then we will place the hand, cup it and put it over your eyes. And you transfer the energy into your eyes that help you to improve your eyesight. And then slowly, you just massage it around it. Just give it a little tap. And eyes. You open your eyes and then pat it on your forehead, on your face. Do a V-shaped finger and then just do behind your ears. We go back of our neck, in the front, and then all over the body. Just pass it on. Okay. The Om is a group of sounds that creates vibration and energy and wakes our chakras up, and it prepares you for the meditation. There are lots and lots of benefits that we have sent it on our group, and I hope you remember it. So we will start with the meridians. So we got 12 meridians. So we got 12, but we just concentrate on the few. So we got 1, then we got 5, we got 7, then we got 9, and then we got 11. So we'll start with the meridian, because the lung meridian keep our lungs expand and also keep them healthy. So we just tap it underneath your collarbone and make sure that you do it gently. So 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you just put a pressure point. The elbow is just at the side, and just breathe in and out. That's it. You're giving you a good blood circulation. You taking just by putting the pressure point, that will help to expand the lungs. Out. And then we will do number 7. Just there. So thumbs together, and the middle finger, to put the pressure point on there. Very easy to do, and I hope you have all learned by now, and do it in your own time. When you're sitting down, do more often if you are suffering from lung disease. And then number 11, just go down to your thumb, with the wrist and the thumb joints. Both hands. And again. And then last one, we go on the tip of the thumb. It's also your brain. So just put the pressure on there. And another one. The last one, we'll do the pump the lymph fluid. So 3 fingers, where the index finger is, put the pressure point there, or you can just hold it. That also helps to get rid of all the dead cells. And then also prevent sickness. You can also buy a belt that will prevent sickness. You can always put the belt if you are traveling, if you're in travel sickness. Also used in pregnancy, or if people who's having a chemotherapy for cancer treatment, they can also use the belt or do this and practice. Next, now we're going to just warm up our hands again. Activate the organ, and then we will cup it and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now last time. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we do the solar plex from hand, all your fingers just over the elbow, thumb underneath, and the thumb comes up and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your solar plex, you have to make sure all the lines all together, the matches. And if it doesn't, if it's upside down, that means you're out of your solar plex is not in line. So you have a digestive problem. So if you do this exercise, do it often to correct it. Next, we will do some breathing exercise. So health and safety warning. Please always seek medical advice if you do any physical or even do Kapalbhati. The doctor will advise you which is the best exercise for you. And please do not do anything that will, hurting you, or if you are in pain, please stop it and just sit down and do Bhastrika. So just whatever you're capable of, please do it. If you can't do anything, you can just sit and do Bhastrika. So we will start with just to sit in a Gyan Mudra. And just a few seconds, we just do Bhastrika, then we'll do the Kapalbhati. So Kapalbhati, the lung exercise include Kapalbhati as well. So make sure that if you had a surgery within the 6 months, please do not do it. And if you got a high blood pressure, if you got a heart problem, please do it slowly. And this is Kapalbhati is not for the pregnant woman or also anybody who's going through a monthly cycle. And it's a forceful breathing out, and you're breathing at the same time. You're using your abdominal muscles. So please do it gently. You will put the Gyan Mudra upside down. You become Chin Mudra. Chin Mudra helps you to open the lower part of the lungs and improve our breathing. You do Bhastrika. You do Kapalbhati. And relax. Next, we do Adi Mudra. So thumbs in, make a fist, and place it on your knee. It will help you to open the upper part of the lungs. And it also prevents snoring. There are lots of other benefits as well. So we do the Bhastrika. And it's the first mudra. Kapalbhati. And relax. You stretch our legs if you want to. And we're going to expand the lungs. So you breathe in, you bring your hands out and then spread it. Then you breathe out and come down. Do 10 times. Last one. Now we squeeze out the toxins. So we put our hand on the shoulder and we swing. then we're going to both elbows together. People who've got a high blood pressure and heart problem, please do it slowly because we're doing a fast Prastika. So you go up, go up and come down, breathe out. And relax. Next, you're going up with the fist, open up the palm, then bring it down with the fist. Breathe out, breathe out. And relax. Next, we will do the blow out. It's for the people who have suffered from lung disease and asthma. Increase your lung capacity. So we will take a deep breath. And then you blow out. Through your mouth as you are blowing in the straw. Again, breathe in. Longer you keep it, is better, so you increase your lung capacity. Again. And relax. Next one is for the anxiety. This is also for the anxiety. If you you breathe in and you blow out, also helps you with the anxiety. And this one as well, tapping on your thymus glands. It will activate your hormones called thyroxine. That helps to produce lots of white cells, T cells. In your anxiety. This will help calm you down. Also, put a little bit of pressure there if you don't want to tap it. Pressure and then look at Kapalabhati. Next one, we will do the coughing. Coughing also prevents it will unblock your arteries, prevent heart attack. And also if you got the lung disease, it will help you to remove all the mucus and the phlegm on your chest. It will loosen it. So you cough it out or you swallow it. So we take a deep breath 3 times and the 4th time we'll cough. So we take a deep breath. This time we take a deep breath and we cough. And you stay down. And do it again. And we also do a dog pose. So I'll show you that. Take a deep breath. Then cough. And you stay down. Longer you stay, it helps you to drain your mucus and the phlegm. Next, we will do Vastika, a couple of minutes. We're going to sit in a Gyan Mudra again. So Gyan Mudra is helps to make sure all your fingers are straight. It can help you to concentrate, also improve your memory, also lowers your blood pressure, it also help you to calm down, relax you. And then we do the Khichdi Mudra. Khichdi Mudra, then you lift your tongue and you touch the top of your roof of your mouth, and that will help you activate the vagus nerves, stimulate the parasympathetic system. That also help you to calm you down, relax you, also relieve the anxiety and prepare you for the for the meditation as well. And then concentrate on your third eye. So all three, combine all three, and we will make sure your back is straight, shoulder back. And we do 2.5 seconds to breathe in and 2.5 seconds to breathe out. We can do longer if you're able to hold the breath longer. Because if you say longer, then you take in more oxygen, giving lungs to take in oxygen. So we do 2.5 seconds to breathe in, 2.5 seconds to breathe out. Benefits are that you take in oxygen, purifying the blood with oxygenated blood that takes you into the heart, and then it travels to brain. The heart will take blood first to the brain, giving you good brain function. Then it travels the rest of your body to all the organs in our body to produce new cells and help fight infections. So most new cells you produce, it will help to fight infection. And it also controls your body temperature and releases hormones, balance the hormones, increase your lung capacity because you're cleaning your lungs, and it will increase your immunity as well, so you're able to fight infection and keeping your lung healthy. And you also exercise in your internal organs, because when you are doing a normal breathing, we are not properly expanding our lungs. We're doing the Bhastika, expanding our lungs, and also exercising our internal organs. Always make sure that you have got fresh air. You open the window during the cold weather. You can always go outside.
Sorry, I have to go. Sorry. Yeah.
Put our hands together and rub it. Keeping your eyes closed. And then pass it on over your face, the energy. Do some leg exercise, then we do jogging. So we straighten our legs, and we will just loosen our muscles, and then tap it. Everywhere. Make sure that you use the oil to give it a good massage. Already done mine. Do it twice in the morning and in the evening. You got to make sure that your muscles are not stiff. And then we tap it at the back. And then we line it with umbilical, and we do our kidney pressure, adrenal glands, kidney and adrenal glands at the back. Give it a good activate on this muscle. Then we're going to do some knee press up. So make sure your heels are together, and then put a hand on your knee. Make sure you're straight, and then you breathe in and gently lift up, feeling strengthening on your calf muscle. Then you breathe out again. Again. and down. Relax, make sure your hands at the back, you just support your back and then wiggle your toes. Do this exercise to prevention of gout and arthritis. However, everybody knows what the gout is. Yeah. Everybody's nodding. I don't know, I can't see. I have to make it.
No, no,
You don't know? Is gout is
no.
no, okay. But it's building off of uric acid.
Uric
You know,
Increase.
uric acid.
out.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a uric acid. When the kidney, when it builds up, the kidney can't get rid of it. So that will cause a lot of pain in your joints, swelling sometimes, and inflammation. So we, we do this exercise, it will help, and also for arthritis. So next we'll bring the toes forward. So you breathe in, then when you go back, you breathe out. And then heels together, both legs, and then you rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me just tap our heels. And then moving all of the lower part of our legs, your thigh, your hip, thigh, your knee, and your calf muscles and your feet. So we do that 5+. It's nice when you do it if you're watching telly, if you're on the floor. Okay, and relax. Next, we do the leg exercise. So we're going to support our leg with our hands like this or this way. And you breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cycling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cycling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Now we're going to do we're going to bring right leg over the left leg. But if you can't, you just put it at the side. So bring it on the left thigh and you support with your other hand and the right hand. You bring your knee up, you breathe in, then you come down. Press it down. Again. Oh, good for our hip, our thigh, knee, all in one. And also our ankle. And please do it gently. Who's got arthritis and have fragile bone, or also if you got a lot of swelling. If you got a lot of swelling on your feet, always make sure that you raise your feet when you are sitting down and lying down. When you're lying down, you put 2 pillows. Make sure it's up. Or you can, or if you got a bed, that can go up. Then that helps to reduce the swelling. Now we're going to do pressure point. All the sinuses on the top of all of our tips of our toes and our fingers as well. And then the tip of the big toe is your brain, then is your neck, and then is your thigh right there. And your lungs come down. And your abdomen and all your internal organs. And then the lower part of our body there. And then the side is the spine. And also in the front, with the liver meridian between the two toes. And then your second and between the second and the third is your eye pressure point, and the last between the last two toes is your ear pressure point. So we just give it a rub, and then we just, and then we give it a hug, and ha 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 ha. All right. Other one, the same. Bring it over. So you breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Breathe out. Do longer when your own time. Everything is done with the short numbers, the few numbers, and also the shorter period because of the time. We don't have enough time. Hope we can find time. Once we are in the hole, we can all relax. Again, the same pressure points everywhere. Underneath your little, on the left foot, underneath your little finger is your heart. And then as you come down, in the middle, the left side is your spleen. Just a little bit different. And at the side, and then rub it, and then tap it. Forget the front, you can do the front as well. And then give it a hug. Ha 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 ha. And do the butterfly. Butterfly also help you with the sciatic pain, and also pump up the lymph fluid, and also really reduce a lot of weight, muscle weight on your on your waistline as well as on your thigh as well, and exercising your calf muscles. Lots of benefits. The nitric oxide. Just to remember two things about nitric oxide, that it's a colorless gas, and it comes like a bubbles. When they burst, it opens up our blood vessels. It dilates them, and it helps to flow the blood freely, and lowers the blood pressure, prevents a heart attack, any heart problems, and expand the lungs. Make sure the oxygen goes in, mixed with the blood, so giving you good circulation. That's a nitric oxide that we take in from our green vegetables, leafy vegetables, beetroots, dark chocolate, things like that. And make sure that you chew your food properly. Mix it with the bacteria, with our saliva in our mouth, then go down the stomach, mix it with acid and other chemicals, and that will produce nitric oxide when it mixes with the oxygen. Then it circulates around the body, it goes into the blood. Make sure that you don't use chemical mouthwashes. Use the natural one, try to find the natural mouthwashes. And salt, you can use the salt, but again, if you got high blood pressure and if you got heart problem, it can absorb. If you do too many, then it can absorb, and then you can increase your heart blood pressure. So just make sure that you do not use that quite often. Make sure you keep our nasal passage clean and clear all the time, because you should breathe through our nose, because the hair in our nose filters the air with the mucous membrane. It will moisturize and also prevent infection before it goes into the lungs. Do not breathe through your mouth because that will not filter your air, and you take the dry air and that will damage it. So nitric oxide we're going to produce by humming 5 times, and then we're going to create some more nitric oxide, and then we're going to blow out exercise and make sure that it circulates around the body. So we'll do that. Pass this off, and then you, with your hand, close your ears and bite your teeth, and close the teeth again, tongue against your teeth, and then you do that, humming 5 times. Last one. Mm. And last. You all stand up and you ready? We do nitric oxide once and then you're jogging. But you got to make sure that you do it 3 times. If you are suffering from COVID or lung disease, do it slowly. Sometimes you don't have enough energy to do this exercise, but as long as you do humming, then we will start. Make sure you breathe in and out as you do it. So we start. And relax. Next, we will do that. Walking. You don't have to do all the numbers. If you can't do it, do whatever you can. And relax. Last one, lift up the beach ball. And relax. Take a deep breath. Breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in. Last one. Next, we will do jogging. So please do it slowly. And people who are unable to do it, do Bhastika. Just make sure you breathe in and out. Always go up when you breathe. You come down, you breathe out. And people who've got a backache, do not go back, bend forward, and if you go. You can do it slowly, but you can also, if you got acid reflux, and if you got hernia, do not go backwards. Lift your leg up if you can. And relax. Next, we're just going to leg. Then you do under the arm, under the leg, sorry. Mixed up with the arm and the legs. And then we do the opposite knee and opposite elbow. And relax. And then we do sitting down. Deep breath. Come down slowly. Go up. 3 times. Very good. Next, we will do and relax. Next, hand over just over the knee, and we rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs apart, and in the middle, we do 5 times. Then bend one leg, breathe in, hold, and come up. On this side. Very good. On try and cross your legs in. Nice to be a partner, isn't it? That's it. And relax. And then we go this side. Make sure your left leg is straight, right leg, whichever leg you want. And then place your hand on just over the knee. And then you bend one leg and you expand your chest, looking up, breathe, breathe out. And you go other side. And right, left. Next one, hands on your waistline, get the balance, and then do again. Then hold the breath if you can, breathe out, go other side. Right. Next, we do that namaste. So interlock your finger, index finger, both in the fingers touching together. You breathe in and you bend, right leg, left leg straight, breathe out. Do the same. You get on the floor, you can, right, left, and relax. Now we expand our lungs. So you breathe in, you come up, then you breathe out and you come down. Last one. And relax. Next one. Right hand up, left hand. You can slide down or as far as you can. You don't have to go that far. Hold the breath if you can. Breathe out and go other side. Last one, and relax. Next, we're going to touch the opposite toes. So you breathe in, you touch the opposite toes, and you're looking back. And carry on. And relax. Next, going to do that, bend forward and the backwards. So make sure if you got hernia or acid reflux, please do not do it. So you breathe in, raise your hand, go back, and breathe out. Touch your toes if you can, or just go as far as you can. Do it again. Carry on. Go to back bend. This will help if you do it slowly. And relax. Next, we will do the star jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Jump. If anybody wants to do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one, 10 times. And relax. Deep breath if you're tired. We do the Tadasana. Tadasana, so interlock your finger. Place it on your head. And then you breathe in and turn your hand upwards towards the ceiling. And then you stand on your toes. And then you come down. Again. Good for you. Digestive system. Also straighten your lungs, expanding your lungs, trying to release the toxin. This exercise also help to maintain our height and also correct our posture as well. It's also called mountain pose as well. Then legs slightly apart, hands out, and then you go one side. Make sure your hands are straight. It would be nice if you do this exercise in the morning if you're constipated. That will help to move your bowels, help your digestive system. And drink plenty of water. And relax. Next, hands in the front and we do the twist. So you go on the right and look back and come in the front. All this exercise will help you for your digestive system. 3 of this. Last one. The next one is the right hand on the left shoulder, the left hand behind your back, and then you're looking up, twisting again. Breathe out. Again, on the side. Last one. And relax. Next, we will do the jigger dance. All this we do exercise. It will help to create a lot of energy, physical exercise. Help you to expand our lungs. And your muscles get, loose. Your muscles get a lot of oxygen as well. Prepare you for the day. Also, your mind gets active as well. So you're physically, mentally ready for your day's work. And then we do the twist. So opposite, get legs, feet goes opposite and hand goes opposite. And relax. Then, okay, to the Surya Namaskar. Do twice, 2 on me. Okay. Whenever you're ready, you come at the end of the mat. Okay. And then, it is also a lot of bending. So be careful if you can't do it. We do it on a chair. Saluting the sun releases lots of hormones and keeping you healthy as well. So we do the numbers first. So we do Namaste. You stand up straight. Then you breathe in, twist your hand, and then you raise your hand, and then you bend backwards if you can. As you breathe in, then you breathe out. Bring your both hands beside your feet. Then you breathe again, take the right leg back. You expand your chest again, resting your chest on the left knee, you looking up. Then you breathe out, take the left leg back. Number 5, you come into the mountain pose. Then you breathe again, taking your knees on the floor. Then as you breathe out, you go chin and the chest on the floor. Then you come into Cobra, number 7. Then breathe out again to the mountain pose. Number 8. Number 9, breathe in, take the right leg forward, looking up. Number 10, bring the left leg forward, both feet together. Your legs are straight, you're bending down, and then you breathe again, come up, bend back, and then number 12, Namaste again. You do the numbers with the left leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right leg again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The chair. Again, make sure you're comfortable on the chair. Come a little bit forward. So when you go back, you don't hurt your back. So we do 2 of these. So we start with the right leg. And we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. With the left leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We do again with the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Last one, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That. Sit down now. Hope you all feel better. More energetic. Let's do the, just take a deep breath. Just do a few seconds of Bhastika. Just take your breath and we do the hand exercise. And relax, we do some hand exercise. Everybody know how to do the Surya Namaskar on a chair now? Everybody know? Remember all the steps? Very good. Right, so we make sure your hands are straight and then we're going to do our exercise for the arthritis and as well for the carpal tunnel syndrome and people who also the prevention as well to do this exercise more often. If you're sitting down, don't just do 10 times, do it 50 times. If you get tired, you just take a rest in between because it will definitely improve your movements of your hands. And then you put inside. Because you need to get the circulation going in your hands. And then we can do the pressure points of our organs. So when you go there, you got your kidney, you got adrenal glands. On the left side is your heart. Then you also got lungs. And then the right inside also you got liver, same. And then put out, make a fist and then rotate. This is also helped for the tennis elbow in the reverse and also frozen shoulder. So if you've got pain in the frozen shoulder, that will help as well. And then bring the face both together. Then lift all the knuckles together. Then you take a deep breath. When you come forward, expanding, and put the pressure on your elbow and your shoulder so that making it a bit stronger. And come down again. And breathe in. And forward. Breathe out. Again. Breathe out. Use our hands. That's good. And then we can do twist it all over arm. You can do it. Then you also can tap it. Yeah. You can do it this way, or you can also do this way. All helps. And then keeping your hands straight, you will pat ourselves at the back. You've done a good work so far. You have increased your energy. When we do sideways. And then both hands, elbow together, breathe in, go back, do 5 times. Expanding your chest again, rotating your shoulder. And then forward. You don't realize when we're sitting down, when we're doing this exercise, what benefits we are getting. Relax. And then either you hold the wrist or do the Ganesh Mudra, whichever you find easier. Then you make sure your hands are straight, you're looking straight, breathe in, then bend it and you hold the breath, breathe out, go other side, do it back straight. And relax, and then we interlock our finger, and then we're going to put at the back of our head, we're going to put the pressure against your head, your hand. Take a deep breath, and just hold it, and release it. You can feel it. It feels good when you do that, and on top of the head. It's good for our headache and also for relaxing. And also if you got pain in our neck area and in the front, release the migraine as well. And then at the side. Left side. And then we're going to rotate our shoulder. Okay. This also helps to pump up the lymph fluid. Exercising your shoulder, your knees, your elbow, and also loving yourself. You can also do one shoulder. Okay. And relax. You can do the neck exercise. Make sure you're straight again. Make sure you keep your eyes open. Sometimes you feel dizzy if you are going with you, if you're rotating your head with the eyes closed. So we're going to look up, breathe in, and look down. Again, and down. Up, down. Now I'm going to do this sideways. On the right side, look up, and in the middle, go left, breathe out. Right, breathe out. Left, right, left. Next, we're going to breathe and we're going to look at our right side, the back as far as you can. So take a deep breath. Then you go on the right, go as far as you can. Then breathe out. It's good exercise when you are driving, so you have to look at the back. So you don't get a lot of stiffness in your neck. So doing this exercise, right, and center, left, center, right, center, left, center. Now we're going to rotate. So go on the left, then you go up, then right, and then down. Left, up, right, down. Left, up, right, down. Then you go other way, so right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. Just make a big circle now from the left, up, and down, and relax. Next we do Anulom Vilom. There are lots of benefits for Anulom Vilom, so you all know. I'm going to put the music on. So it's we're going to close the right nostril, and then you're going to breathe from the left nostril, and then you're going to close the left nostril. You breathe out from the right nostril, and then again breathe from the same nostril, and close the right nostril and breathe out. So at the end of the session, you always breathe out from the left side, and the right side is your sun, Surya Nari, and the left side is the moon, so it brings the warm, cool air, and the right side is the hot air. So we're going to balance that. So if you just sit in the Vayu Mudra, the left hand is on your knee, and the right hand, you start doing that. I'll just quickly explain benefits, and then I'll put the music on. So we do that for 3 minutes. So you've got 2.5 seconds to breathe in, and then 2.5 seconds to breathe out. Many people do 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. So it helps you to unblock your arteries, prevents heart attack, heart problems, heart disease, your high blood pressure. Good for the eyes as well. We have cataract. This can help prevent cataract as well. Help you to relax, lower the cholesterol levels. If you're suffering from any disease, you must do it longer. And just carry on.
Maniben, the music is very distorted. The music is very distorted. Thank
Is it too loud? You just breathe from the right nostril and breathe out from the left nostril. And rub our hands. Next, we will do Kapalbhati. So again, health and safety warning, please do whatever you can. And don't hurt yourself. Kapal means forehead and Bhati means shine. And it's exercising your internal organs because it's a forceful breathing out and you're breathing at the same time. So make sure that you do it gently. So we're going to correct our posture and we do some mudras with that. So just interlock your finger and we stretch our spine and we do Kapalbhati. And relax. Next, we will do Sahaj Sang Mudra. So you interlock your finger and then you put your thumb there. And this also help you to correct the spine. And also, if you got slip disc, this will help you. And also for flexibility. And also good for your digestive system as well. And relax. We do the Marudanda Mudra. So that's a good for the brain, stretching your spine from the back to the top of your neck. So we put the thumb upwards on your knee, and then we do just Bhastika just for a few seconds. And then we do Kapalbhati. Then we pull the muscles outwards, so that will support the spine. We do Bhastika just for a few seconds. We do Kapalbhati. And then we will put the thumb upside down, so that will stretch your spine from the top to bottom. Do Kapalbhati. And relax, and then we put the thumb inwards, so that will support our muscles, that will bring the muscles inwards. And we do Kapalbhati. And relax. Next we do the mudra. So it's like the eagle pose. So if you want to do it this way, so bring the right leg one over your left knee, and then your right hand goes on the top, and then your left hand underneath, and then you twist your hand facing your palm on the left side, and you do Kapalabhati. You carry on. This will also help you to correct our spine and also for the digestive system. And we do the opposite, and also good for your calf muscles as well. Now you've got a left hand, so left hand will go on the top, and the right hand will underneath, and you twist it and face it in the left palm on your right side. And relax. Then we do Gomukhasana. So it's a similar benefit. So my left leg is up. So my left hand will go from the top and at the back. And then the right hand will go from the bottom. And you see if you can touch the both hands together and do Kapalabhati, looking up. Then we swap over. So my right hand will go from the top, and the left hand will go underneath. And you're looking up. And relax. The next we'll do Vakrasana. So we're going to exercise our muscles on one side. So your left leg straight and your right leg, you bend your right knee and then you bring it over. If you can't, just leave it at the side. So bring it over your thigh, and then right hand will go behind. Make sure it's not too far away. And then you push your knee with your left hand and place it on there. And then what you're going to do is going to exercise on the left side, your spleen, your lungs, and your heart, and your kidney and adrenal glands. And you look up and do Kapalabhati. And relax. Then you do the opposite side. So right leg straight, your left leg over your knee, left hand behind, right hand push your knee, press it on your right knee, and then you do Kapalabhati. This will exercise your right side, your stomach, your liver, your pancreas, your lungs. And relax, and also your right kidney. Next, we do some mudras that will also good for your thyroid and your digestive system. So middle, your thumb in the middle, palm, close with your fingers, bring the other fingers on the top, and your index finger and your thumb together, making a sun. So we do the Kapalabhati. And we do the other hand as well, same. Put it a bit further up, something we can do for thyroid. And relax. Next, we will do Udan Mudra. Everybody knows Udan Mudra. So little finger, stick in all your three fingers, touching the thumb. Now, then you put it, press it on there. And that's also for the thyroids. And if you go speech defects and stamina, this is a mudra, you must do it. And also, if you want to increase your voice sweeter, we do the mudra, Udan Mudra. And relax. This is also why when we're twisting all this, you're exercising your internal organs as well. And then we do the Vayu Mudra. So Vayu Mudra, you just press your index finger with the thumb, and it's a Vayu related problem. And it's also for the gout, Parkinson's disease, arthritis, and if you got any gas formation, we do this mudra. It will benefit you. And relax. We stretch our legs and we do chakki. So interlock your hand, and with the Linga Mudra, that will increase your heat and help you to lose weight. So this is for losing weight. So you breathe in as you go back, and you breathe out as you go forward. So make a big circle, make sure your hands are straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then reverse, you can open up the legs a little bit if you want. We do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then legs apart. And you want to touch the opposite toes and you look it up. So breathe in. And relax. We do Makhan 20 times. So and relax. You can do it more. You don't want time, you want to lose weight. It's a good exercise to do it because it will bring up your heat. You're able to lose weight. Next, we will do Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra is your little finger and your ring finger. It's the most powerful Prana Mudra. It's a life force, give you energy, increase your immunity, and also improves your eyesight. And relax. Next, Apan Mudra. The two middle finger touching the thumb, your little finger and your index finger standing up. Make sure it's straight. And we're going to twist to remove all the toxins from your kidney, from your lungs, from your stomach. And relax. When you remove all your toxin, you feel more energetic and also clearing your system of our body as well. The next we'll do Surya Mudra. Surya Mudra is a liver related problem. So that will help you to lower your cholesterol level, also lose weight, as if you're diabetic, and also any liver problem we have to do this mudra. And all the mudras are done longer. You must do it 5-15 minutes, and then you increase them. Is whatever problem you have, just do that mudra. And relax. We do Vayu Apan Mudra. The people who got high blood pressure and also prevents a heart problem. And if you are climbing up the stairs, you do this before you climb the stairs. That will help you to breathe better as well. And you feel less tired. Next we do Varun Mudra. The little finger touching the thumb, all the others are straight. And this is for the skin. It will improve your skin. If you got any disease, pimples, and also it will help you hydrate. So you are able to drink more water. If you are thirsty, your skin is very dry. Last, we will do Linga Mudra. People who've got asthma also increase the heat, as we have done that, and also lowers the blood pressure. And relax. We'll do Mandukasana for a few more minutes. So you sit in Vajrasan if you are able to sit in Vajrasan.
मणि जी सूर्य मुद्रा आपने नहीं करवाई सूर्य मुद्रा
No, Kaida, Surya Mudra,
okay.
liver related problem.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I explain lower the cholesterol levels in diabetic. And then so we sit on the thank you, Koshilaji. You might have missed it. Yeah. So this is for the digestive system. So you will good for your digestive system. And also people who have diabetes can also help to activate your liver and stimulate your pancreas so they can release the insulin and can help you to lower the medication as well. So with the diabetic people must do it half an hour before the meal and do it 5 times and 3 times a day. So we will make fist, put it between your navel, and then we take a deep breath. Then you breathe out and press it in. Then you come down slowly as far as you can. And then if you can look up, you look up and do the Kapalabhati. To do 40 times, as Savanji said. Then you breathe in and out and you come out slowly. Do one more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Press in. And then come down. Look up. Breathe in and out and you come up. We do once on the sides, the right side over your liver and the pancreas, and the left side on the spleen. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Bend slowly and lift up your head. Breathe in and out and you come up. And then people who can't bend down, we just do it once. So put your hands on your liver and the pancreas and the spleen. You take a deep breath and we do 20 times. Then relax. Then going to massage it. So left hand on your liver and the right hand on the top. Take a deep breath and breathe out. And then you can do massages or you can do Kapalabhati. Then you come up. Then you do the opposite. Right hand, the left hand on the top. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Come down. Look up. And breathe in and out and come up. Then we do the last Balasana. So hands on your thigh. Then you breathe in, raise your hands, you go back, upward, and then you breathe out, come down, placing your hand on the floor, and you're looking at your knees. And this is, you can look up our body or you can just relax because that will also help to just correct your spine, relax you, good for the digestion, you can put the pressure on your kidney and the liver, so it will activate your organs. And also for relaxation as well. Breathe again, come up. And then you breathe again, come down. You breathe out. And come up slowly. What time do we got to do a giant brandy? Do a cough. Then you make a 3-quarter sound and then longer one. And then you hold the breath and put the chin on your chest. And then when you can't hold it, you raise your chin and then close your right nostril and breathe out from the left nostril. It's good for you. It helps you stop snoring, also unblock your arteries. So we do that. So take a deep breath. Sorry, cough. And then lift your chin up across the right nostril and breathe out. We'll do one more time. Look up. You breathe out. It's also good for your thyroids. I also want to improve your voice, also for any throat disease, or also you got tonsillitis. But you must do it more. So the longer you hold it, you are taking in more oxygen. So that will help to clear your infection or improve your thyroid as well. We do Brahmi. Brahmi also good for increasing for the nitric oxide and also for the headache and also for relaxation. So we will close our ears with the thumb, 3 fingers over your eyes, and then index finger over your eyebrows. You're concentrating on the third eye. Then you bite your teeth, and with the Khichdi Mudra, you make a bumblebee sound 3 times. keeping the eyes closed, back straight, sit in the Gyan Mudra. And we chant Om 3 times. Om. 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 Just still keeping your eyes closed. Just concentrating third eye. You just meditate yourself. Relax your body completely. And feel all the energy from head to toe. Do silence breathing. We rub our hands, keeping the eyes closed. Cup it and put it over your eyes. Touch the energy. And then slowly, slowly open the eyes. Just spread it all over. We do the pray. Sinhasan. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaha Sarve Pandrani Prashantu Mahakashi Dukha Bhakvave Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May all be happy, may all be healthy, may all enjoy prosperity, may none suffer. Om. We do Sinhasan. Everybody unmute.
Thank you.
Yeah,
to leave.
make a Sinhasan. So sit like a lion, okay? And then just hold your tongue. Take a deep breath. The best part is ha ha all for joining. Yeah.
Very good, Manidi.
Thank you, Manibel.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manibel.
Thank
It was
you.
fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manibel. Thank
Oh,
you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
So you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Very nice.